the correct pronunciation, also means the cause of my life. Communities based on ethnicities only created more difficulty. I live in a certain place, and my name is in a certain way. I get judged in a certain way because tabloid society feels a certain way.